before calling a function, my dear, what thing is to be done? Think of yourself, my dear. Mr. Hamza, if you want to call a function, my dear, Mr. Hamza,
Yes, sir.
a very important question to you, and the question to you is, before calling a function, what thing must be done over there? Tell me.
Sir, we have written the function in the program.
My dear, point to be noted over here. You can note over here. Must note over here.
Yes.
Two things are there that must have been done before calling a function. And the first thing that must have been done is the function must have been declared over there. And the second thing is the function must have been defined earlier on before calling the function.